Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Kayleen Stern coming at you with the first of two videos that I will be dropping today. The first thing I'm going to do is open up this MCI or Meal Combat Individual Accessory Pack. I looked all over this thing for a date code and I could not find one. Maybe one of the contents will give me a date on these, but these MCIs or Meal Combat Individual rations that had the cans in it. Sometimes people call them C rations or C rats, but they predated the brown bag MRE. So this would have been in the top of the box that the ration came in, and there's no letter on here to date to say which accessory pack this is. Like now, the accessory packs in US MREs would say A, B, C, D, E, or whatever to indicate the particular accessory pack, because they do vary from ration to ration. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully tear this open. This does not have the cigarettes in it. Not only does it not say that, I could not feel it, but the bag itself looked in pretty good condition. Oops, sorry about my camera mount. I'm using the mount that I normally use when I do my live streams. So this is the toilet paper. They used to have this little tab on the end, and the toilet paper itself was completely wrapped except for this end with the tab, and then you just split it apart and then you could unwrap it to use it. And I was kind of hoping for the blue, but this is white, but that's okay. I'm just going to put the items in this little dish so that they show up better. And here is the chiclets. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Spearmint chiclets, 2 pieces. I remember getting these in the bigger boxes when I was a kid. So I grew up with this gum. So I will definitely be saving that. This is creamer or cream substitute dry non-dairy, and it feels pretty hard, like it's either vacuum packed or it has absorbed some moisture. I'm not going to attempt to open it. I'm just opening up the pack to show the contents. This is the matches that were issued at that time. See if I can get this to focus. There we go. Sometimes this thing doesn't want to focus. And I don't know if the match tip color means anything, what the different colors mean, but these are kind of a purplish with white tip. But these are supposed to be moisture resistant, but not moisture proof. So you do get them wet, they're not going to light. Coffee Instant Type 1, Style 1, Composition 2. So this is even more detailed than the current Type 1, Type 2, or Type 3 that we know of. And again, I'm not going to open this yet, but it's either tightly sealed because it does not shake, but it doesn't feel like it's extremely hard in there. But again, I may actually try to brew this coffee in another video. This is the same iodized salt packets that are in the brown bag MREs. So I have seen these before. So this salt seems very loose and not clumped up. Because if salt clumps up just like sugar, it will get hard as a rock. And here's the sugar. It does not say Domino or any brand in big letters, but I know my screen wants to shake for some reason. I hope this doesn't. There we go. Amstar Corporation packed this sugar. Again, it's loose. And that is it for this MCI accessory pack. I'm going to try to look on the coffee for production date. I may have to take it off camera to see if I can find one that might be embossed. Nope, not seeing one on the coffee. I'm going to look on the creamer. I'm not seeing a date on the creamer either. We'll see if the chiclets have a date. Nope, I'm not seeing a date on any of these items in here. Actually, I'll look on the salt, see if the salt has a date. Nope, nothing in here has a date. Pretty sure the matches don't. I've never seen a date on matches. Nope, none of these items have a date on it, but that's okay. I got this off of Minotaur Trading Company, and if you check their website, they might still have a few of these available to check out. So at another time, I will check out the coffee to see if it is usable, or this creamer, to see if it's usable. I know the salt and sugar are. This gum box looks very, very good. Doesn't look like it's been squished or anything. And again, I hope you enjoyed this little look at the inside of an MCI accessory pack from rations that predate the brown bag MRE. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.